Welcome to AA Future Tech. In this video, we're going to review the capabilities and features of the latest product that Google has released. It's called Lumiere, and it is a space-time diffusion model for video generation. So while comparing all the sample outputs that is generated by Lumiere, we will also try to compare at the end of the video the previous other research projects that Google had, which is Imagen as well as Videopoet, and we'll try to compare how the video generation capability has evolved comparatively towards what Google has produced previously. In this video, we're going to walk through various capabilities that is available in Lumiere, which is text to video, image to video, stylized generation, video stylization, Cinemagraphs, Inpainting. We'll walk through a few samples in each of these. So let's get started. First is, here are some samples of what Lumiere has generated from a text to video. This is basically by providing a text prompt, it produces an entire video depicting what is mentioned. For example, astronaut on planet Mars, or a golden retriever puppy running in the park, or a chocolate syrup pouring on a vanilla ice cream. As you can see, it is all photorealistic image generation. And we'll walk through some more samples. For example, my favorite one, which is a panda eating bamboo on a rock, or the temple in ruins, colorful fireworks in the night sky, and several other samples. Just with a text, for example, a bright underwater world, orange fish, this model can produce photorealistic videos. And the next capability we're going to watch through is image to video. Here you can see that using a reference image provided, this model can convert that image into a video by considering the prompt that is provided. For example, this is an image, a static image of a campfire in a snowy forest, whereas through this prompt, this image can be converted into a video. Similarly, you can see that a teddy bear running in New York City, or a relaxed ocean waves, or a panda eating bamboo on a rock. Likewise, there are multiple such realistic examples. And here is a very nice one where a happy elephant wearing a birthday hat walking under the sea, or a teddy bear skating in Times Square, melting pistachio ice cream dripping down the cone. Likewise, there are so many realistic examples that is produced by this model. By using just an image and a prompt, it converted into a video. The next one we're going to see here is creating videos using a reference image. Here you can see that there is a flat cartoon reference image, and using a prompt, let's say a hot air balloon inflating and taking off, it was able to produce a similar image using that reference. It's a stylized image reference. Let's see a couple of examples, whether it is 3D rendering, line drawing, or whether it is glowing. So here there is a glowing image reference using which a dragon prompt produces a same styled video, as well as we have watercolor painting based video animations. So likewise, the possibilities are endless with respect to stylized generation. So as we move on, I also wanted to quickly highlight the capability of this model, which is compared to what was done in the previous models, which is to create frame by frame and build a model through multiple iterations. This particular architecture followed by Lumiere, which is space-time unit architecture, that generates the entire video duration at once, which is why all the examples that we have seen so far is of high quality and also consistency, which was difficult to achieve in the previous iterations due to multiple passes of the frames generated, each frame by frame. Moving on, let's continue with looking at some other capabilities that Google Lumiere has, which is video stylization. So for example, if this is the source video of a girl running or jogging, you can stylize that video by saying made of wooden blocks. Will entirely convert that video towards wooden blocks, or origami paper art, or colorful toy bricks, or made of flowers. Likewise, the same thing, a dog and a car went through the same stylization as an example, or a car or a grizzly bear in a snow dancing. So it can be stylized, as you can see here. Another cool feature is Cinemagraphs, which is being able to animate a specific region within an image. For example, this is the input image, which, as you can see, it's a static image where a mask is created and you can animate only that piece where the butterfly is animated. Same way, it's a static image of a campfire. We can make the fire burn through in a live way. Same as electric train with a smoke or a water ripple effect. So this is a very important feature that allows for animating a specific portion of the images. The next one is video inpainting. For example, if there is a source video, this is not image, I wanted to highlight that. It's a source video, and if you want to regenerate a portion of the video, you can very well create a mask and then have the model regenerated to your preference. Same way here, you only have a half hot air balloon video, and the image was able to fill in the remaining half. Same with the pizza or the rose flower in a bottle. So this capability allows you to fill up or change if any existing video requires some corrections. It's kind of very important feature for video editing. And similarly here, the source video, you can very well change the nature of the dress or try to, let's say, add accessories or a bathrobe or a boot. Now that we have seen the various capabilities of what Google Lumiere provides, I also wanted to quickly showcase some of the other similar research projects that Google has developed in the past. The first one is Imagen. It is primarily related to text to image as well as video generation capabilities, but rather here the focus is these models that Google has creates the same video or image through iterations for multiple parses of multiple phases of progressively building a high resolution model. As we can see here, it's a raccoon queen or android mascot made of bamboo. Likewise, the previous model was able to generate very good images, but rather these technologies has evolved significantly that the other output that we have seen, what Lumiere has produced, is much more photorealistic. As we can see here, first the previous model Imagen produces a low resolution image like 64 by 64 and then improve it to a better resolution of 256 by 256, and then subsequently the HD version of the model. This is how it worked previously. And as you can see here, the previous model was able to dynamically change the narrative based on the text that is provided, and it was able to produce the corresponding image, whether it is black leather jacket or playing a guitar and so on. And Imagen model also was able to create images based on prompts. Let's say it's a view of a castle with high towers, or whether it is the same teddy bear skating in Times Square that we have seen with the Lumiere model. Likewise, the previous model was able to also generate the photorealistic videos, but rather, as you can see, a significant difference where the output that Lumiere has produced is much more significantly better than what you're seeing here currently. And here is a narrative of how the model transformatically generates the images from low resolution to a high resolution. See here, sprouts in the shape of text Imagen coming out of the fairy tale book. As you can see here, first this model produces a low resolution image, and then subsequently it is improving that low resolution into a little better resolution. Finally, it gets to the full resolution image of a HD quality. So these refinement is what is called as the cascaded diffusion model. That is the fundamental technology behind these Imagen produced video model. And another product that Google has released in the past is Videopoet. It is also related to creating videos from the prompt. As you can see here, that was able to produce nice images with various illusions and with all creativity. For example, a lion with a mane made of yellow dandelion petals. So likewise, it was able to produce nice images as well, but overall, as you can see, the output that is produced by Lumiere is much better, and the technology has evolved significantly. Overall, these products that you see here is not yet available for public consumption. We expect that these technologies that produced all these outputs, we expect that to gradually be integrated into various products that Google already has, like whether it is Bard or other productivity based products that might be rolled out to end users. So we can wait for that, and exciting updates will be rolled out in the near future in those Google products. Hope these information is useful and interesting for you all. If you like this content that you have shared so far, please like and subscribe, as well as leave your comment in case if you would like to see any other type of content or would like to make changes. Please feel free to share your feedback. Have a good day. Bye.